Okay guys, so to start off with, you want to create a new layer and pick up a bright orange color and then pick up soft airbrush and decrease the size of the brush. Now first you have to create the silhouette of the fire, the shape of the fire that you want for your illustration. Then you want to fill it in with the similar brush. Now you don't really have to worry about when you are filling it in to be perfect, because we are going to be blending those edges out later on. Now once you are happy with the silhouette of the fire, take the eraser and erase some parts from the fire in a circular form, like in a circle, as you can see on the screen. Now pick up blending tool and just start blending the edges out of the fire. Now you want to make sure, you want to decide in which direction do you want the fire to go, and keeping that in mind, you want to blend those edges out with the blending tool. If you don't know how the blending tool works, then I do have a video on my channel how to blend colors on Procreate. You should watch that video right away. Also, if you're doing this on Sketchbook, then you can use colorless brushes to blend the edges out of the fire, as I'm doing here. Also, just make sure to create some dot-like things around the fire, as you can see on the screen, and blend those out as well. Once you are done blending the fire out, the base layer of it, then just create a new layer, and this time just pick up a bright yellow color, and in the new layer just go over the base fire that we created and just create some random file-like shape, as you can see on the screen. And again, we are again going to be erasing some parts from this yellow fire thing, and don't worry about it being perfect. We are going to be blending this out as well. So once you are done with the erasing part, just pick up the blending tool and just try to merge that yellow color with the orange base fire color. As you can see in the video I'm doing, just make sure you're just kind of incorporating this yellow color with the orange color. Do not cover the base orange color with this yellow color. You just have to add a little shade of it in every flame that the fire has. I hope that makes sense. Also, with that bright yellow color, add some dot like things around the fire. We want some dots and we want some lines around the fire. Now to create the glow for the fire, just duplicate the base layer, the orange base layer, and add Gaussian blur to the layer. Now once you have that, you want to change the layer mode to hard light. Now you can play around with the layer modes. You can do whatever you like. You can do color dodge. You can change the layer mode to add. But here I am changing the layer mode to hard light because it is giving the fire, this really warm kind of look, as you can see right here. Now what you want to do is just duplicate the glow layer once again and just increase the size of it and just place it in the middle. And just decrease the opacity of the layer up to 50% just to balance everything out, and it shouldn't look too vibrant. You can actually go ahead with that look if you want. There is nothing wrong with it. Now what you want to do is you want to pick up light pen or light brush. You can choose any of these. So here I'm choosing light pen, and just start creating dots, little dots here and there, just over the dots that we initially created with the yellow color, just to make them look more glowy and vibrant. And also you can add some lines in the fire or in the fire flame itself. I really hope you guys can see it on the screen, but I am actually adding some lines kind of thing in the fire flame itself. So that's what I'm doing here. Now the last step is to create new layer and change the layer mode to add, and just pick up any color. I'm using blue color right here. I'm using a really desaturated blue color, and I'm using light brush from Luminance brush set, and I'm lightly painting over this color at the very midpoint or at the very base of the fire, as you can see right here, just to make that part look really vibrant and bright. So yeah, I know the shape of the fire here, the silhouette of the fire here looks a little off, but it was just about teaching you guys how you can really shade fire if you want to in your drawings. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this mini tutorial, and if you did, please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time.